Children, this is Naveen sir. Hope you all are doing good. I gave the first task that is called typing club, correct? And it's a website you need to visit and register in that thing by just giving your name, last name, and then sign up for free. Use it only free version and practice till 100 levels. Once you reach 100 levels, repeat from level 1 and make sure that you get 5 stars in each level. After you finish 100 levels with 5 stars in each and every level, then you can go from 100 level to till 600 level depending on your interest. And as I told earlier, we'll give prizes to the kids who get more stars, more points, and who qualifies in the exam conducted by us after the lockdown is finished. Okay, now the second task. This is very interesting. We are going to play a Japanese game called Sudoku. What's that game? Sudoku. You see, Sudoku. Okay, this is a Japanese game, but now it is world famous. Lot of kids play, lot of adults play, lot of apps are there. In every newspaper it comes, sometimes in English newspaper it comes daily, in some newspaper it comes weekly. You can check for those sudokus in newspapers also. But to make it easy, we are going to start from the easy level sudoku game to the difficult. Okay, what is the use of this sudoku? Why we need to play sudoku? Because it improves the memory in the children, especially between 5 to 13 years. This is a research conducted by one of the big universities, and they concluded that whoever plays the Sudoku game, they are improving their memory. So this is good for the children. So start playing, and this we recommend to first class to fourth class. So actual Sudoku game is 9 by 9 cells. They call it 9 by 9. That means 9 rows, 9 columns. But to make it easy, first we start with 4 by 4, and then we go to 6 by 6. Then we go to 9 by 9. First we start with 4 by 4, then 6 by 6, then 9 by 9. So let's find out what is 4 by 4. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to just draw 5 lines vertically to make this game. I recommend all the children to play this game on the paper initially. Okay, don't go for an app, don't go for anything, only on the paper. Okay, why on the paper? Because it's more interesting and you can avoid mobile phone, correct? So once I draw 5 lines vertically, 3, 4, 5, I'm drawing horizontally. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once we draw this thing, 4 by 4, you can see 4 rows. These are called rows. This first row, second row, third row, fourth row. And these are called columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what are these called? Columns. These are called rows. Okay, and now we need to draw a block. In the center, we are just thickening this line, center line, and then this center line, or you can say third line, just thickening, so that you understand this is a block. Or use any other sketch or any other color just to identify easily that this is a block. you can see I'm just thickening this, and you can thicken the outer lines, all the outer lines. Just to, you can use scale, or without scale also you can do it, just to make it, it's a block. So now you understand, you can clearly see that this is a block. These 4 cells, each this square box is called, what is this called? Cell. And this entire big one, these big ones, which you just highlighted, this entire big one is called a block. What is this called? Block. So you have 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, third block, and 4th block. First, second, third, and 4th block. 4 blocks are there. How many blocks are there? 4 blocks are there. So to play this game, we have only 3 rules. 3 rules, just 3 rules. And the first rule is, every row, what is that? Every row, that means this row, this row, this row, this row, all these rows should contain 1 to 4 numbers. How many? 1 to 4 numbers. Why? Because we are playing 4 by 4 game first. If it is 6 by 6, it is 1 to 6. If it is 9 by 9, it is 1 to 9. Okay, that's the only difference. So this is, we are playing 4 by 4 game. So every row should contain 1 to 4 numbers, and they should not repeat. They should not repeat. If you repeat, that's it, game over. Second rule, every column, now the row should have 1 to 4 and they should not repeat, correct? Every column can have 1 to 4 in any order. In the same way, every column also can contain 1 to 4, should contain. Sorry, I am repeating, I think, multiple times, but these are the rules. 1 to 4 numbers, and they should not repeat. Same way, third rule, every block. What is this? Every block also should contain 1 to 4, and again they should not repeat. Okay, so these are the 3 rules, that's it. Every row should contain 1 to 4 numbers and they should not repeat. Every column should contain 1 to 4 and they should not repeat. And every block should contain 1 to 4 and they should not repeat. Okay, so that means, I will explain one more time. This row can have 1 to 4. This row can have 1 to 4. This row can have 1 to 4. This row can have, same way. All the columns should also have 1 to 4. And every block, this block. Suppose it has 1, 2, 3. What should be here? 4. Correct? If it has 3, 2, 4, they should have 1. It's like that. Now I will explain with the examples. So I will explain with the examples now. So first rule is, every row should contain 1 to 4 numbers and they should not repeat. So that means, suppose if this row I am taking, so if this has 3, 2, 4 and this is empty. So what this cell should contain? So Neha, can you see this thing? This row has 3, 2, 4 and this is empty. What is the rule? They should contain 1 to 4 numbers. So what is missing between 1 to 4? Is 1 there? No, it is not there. So what it should come here? 1 should come here. Good job, Neha. So I'll go with the second example now. I'll just erase this thing. So now suppose here it is a 1, 3 and 1 and here 4. So what it has 4 empty, 3 and 1. What number it should come here, Sanvi? 2. Why 2 should come? Because 1, 2 is missing. 3 there, 4 there, but 2 is missing, so 2 should come here. That's it. So this is the first rule. Every row should contain 1 to 4 numbers and they should not repeat. Okay. So second rule, every column should contain 1 to 4 numbers and they should not repeat. Example 4, 3, 1. So it's like this. 4, can you see this thing? 4, 4, 3 and 1. So what number it should contain here, Neha? You have 1 but you do not have 2. You have 3 and you have 4. What number it should contain here?
2.
That's it. So 2 is, this is must, correct? Because it should contain 1 to 4 numbers and it should not repeat. But never guess. Why we should never guess? If we guess, game is over, correct? You should never guess. You should think logically. What do you need to do? You should think logically. This game is all about logic. Suppose if this is like this, 1, 2, 3. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. This is empty. In this column also, every column can have 1 to 4. So now Sanvi, 1 space 2, 3. What this cell should contain?
4.
Why? Because 1, 2, 3 is there, 4 is missing. So 4 I can write here. So this is second rule, correct? Same thing. Every column should contain 1 to 4. Suppose if I have like this, 5, sorry, not 5, correct? Always till 1 to 4 only. 4, 3, 2, space here, 4 here. Okay. So this has 4 here, 3 here, 2 here, space, space and 4. All are empty. So now what should contain in this cell is the question. So can we do like this? This row, it has 2 but these are empty. So I cannot find out what is this using the row rule. Now go to column. 3 space space 4. So I don't know. It can be here 1 or 2, correct? 1 and 2 are missing, but I don't know whether 1 or 2 should come here. So but now the third rule, every block should contain 1 to 4 will help me. This block, this particular block has 4, 3, 2. But what is missing? In this block, what is missing, Sanvi?
1.
1 is missing. That's it. So 1 should come here. That's it. Now after filling 1, now what should come here?
2.
Because 1, 3, 4 is there, 2 is missing. 2 should come here. That's it. Correct? Now in this block, what should come? It can be 1 or 3. 1 can be here or 1 can be here. 3 can be here or 3 can be here. You don't know. Never do that thing. Suppose if they are like this, if they are like this, then what? How can we fill it? Simple. 2, 3, 4 is there, so 1 will come here. And as 4, 2, 1 is there, what is the remaining number? 3. See, this you can fill it with the column rule. 1, 2, 4 is there, so 3 will come. Or 1, 2, 4 is there, 3 will come here using the box rule, block rule, correct? Correct? So this is how we play the Sudoku. Now now I am going to show you the complete game. So you can see we got a Sudoku puzzle which is 4 by 4. You can see 4 rows are there, 4 columns are there and 4 blocks are there. You can see the 4 blocks. Okay. And now this is the puzzle generally they gave like this. So now we need to solve this. First check with this first row. 3, 1, 4 and empty. So what this cell should contain? Sanvi, can you guess it? No guess. Never guess. I just said that, guess it. No. You should find out what number it should contain. What number? 3, 1, 4 is there. What is missing between 1 to 4?
2.
So 2 should come here. That's it. No other number will come here. Only 2 will come here. No guess. So once you fill this thing, now this row, Sanvi, Neha, what this row cell should contain? 1 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So what is missing here?
2.
2. That's it. See? Now you can check in this block 1 2 3 4 is there, correct? In this block 1 2 3 4 is there. That means we are right. Next, go to this thing. How can we fill this thing? 1 3 4 is there. Can I fill this thing? In this block it should contain Manasa 1 2 3 4, correct? But 2 is missing, correct? In this block. So in this block 1 2 3 4 should contain, but 2 is missing. So I write 2 here. That's compulsory, right? Correct? No guessing. Now in this row, what it should come here? 1 2 is missing, correct? 3 4 is there. Now you can do with the column, correct? 1 2 is there, 3 is missing in this column, correct? So I wrote 3. Now again 2 3 4 is there. So what is missing? 1 is missing. See, the brown one is given by them, the blue color one I wrote it. See, I solved the puzzle. Now I will check it whether it is right or wrong by checking my rules. Every row should contain 1 to 4. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, correct? Every column 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Every block should contain 1 to 4. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we are done. Puzzle is solved. Okay, children, so every day I am going to give 2 or 3 puzzles to you. I'll write it on my paper, on this paper, and then take a photo and then send to you in a WhatsApp. What you need to do is you need to draw on any paper you have, white paper, like this. Just make sure that 1 2 3 4, you can take 4 centimeters or 4 inches, whatever. I'm just taking this thing 4 1 2 3 4, just to make it easy, or you can make it big depending on your paper size. So I'm trying to put 4 boxes. See, I drew, correct? And as I told you, you need to thickening the center one. I can use a different color just to get the block feeling. I'm trying to draw again the borders so that I can see the blocks. This is a 1 block, 2nd block, 3rd block, 4th block, correct? And now the puzzle 1. This is a puzzle 1 and puzzle 2, puzzle 3. Hi. So you can see I drew 3 boxes, 3 puzzles. You can see here I use the same color to just thickening the lines so that you can understand this is 1 block, 2nd block, 3rd block, 4th block. Okay, same way. So this I will send you the screenshot of it. I will take a photo and send to you. You need to solve these 3 puzzles by using just 3 rules. Every column should have 1 to 4. Every row should have 1 to 4. Every block should have 1 to 4. But nothing should repeat in them. Correct? So example. Now this thing. Can you zoom it, Manasa? You can see here 4 3 2 space. All are lot of spaces are there. What rule I can use it? First, find out the easy one. I think I see this thing. This row has only 1 block missing. 1 cell is missing. So 2 is there, 4 is there, 3 is there. So what number should come here?
1.
1, correct? That's correct. So 1 should come here. See, if we put 1 here, even this block will have 1 2 3 4. So that's right. If I put 1 here, what number should come here? This block also should contain 1 2 3 4. So 1 3 4 is there, so 2 should come. That's it. And this row again I can fill it. And then once this is done, these are all empty. But you can use the column rule to fill this thing, correct? So solve all these 3 problems, 3 puzzles, and send me the answers by today 9 p.m. Every day I'll send these puzzles before 12 p.m. in the morning, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, before afternoon, and then you need to send them these before 9 p.m. and the prizes will be given to the children who solves more puzzles with the correct answers. Okay, thank you. Bye bye children.